already on hand para sa Adamson. Oh, great save.
Grabe, hinabol pa rin, ano? Kept alive.
Just to show you the intensity of the defense of Adamson. Zapanta flies in. That's Baniel.
Nice. This one down the line, avoiding the block. Clean hit from Vargas.
FEU now goes up to 11.
Ayun, no? Faking to the right, and last minute that turn to the left. Got it in the corner. Nice serve.
Good serve. This is what FEU needs. Cortel. Oh, but Adamson always finds a way to halt that momentum by FEU. Just a short mini celebration para sa FEU by getting that point from Vargas. Right away, Cortel gets it back. Gets the favor on their side. Applaud the effort, but the point goes to FEU. 12 serving 17 set number 3. It's a do-or-die set para sa FEU. They're down 2-0. And set number 3. Poor reception that time by Zapanta. Go to Rojas. Zapanta on the other side attacks. A floater. Palma. The dump picked up. Here comes Zapanta. Another good rally here, pero that second touch by Vargas not good. Rojas is blocked, and another long rally ending in favor of Adamson. This has been a common occurrence in this match. Palaging Adamson getting the benefit of these long rallies, executing much better in these drawn-out fights. 18-12, set number 3. Zapanta has done an excellent job here this afternoon, along with Soriano and Pineda, and we have to credit Makatuno as well for an excellent job giving the ball to those aforementioned offensive players.
Basas getting that point off the block. Again, we got to see more consistent plays for FEU, no? Tama yung sinasabi mo, yung observation mo, Eric. They really, it's their own fault that they haven't really caught up with Adamson, kasi they do score a good point, but after, ooh! Wow!
Yeah, that deserves a round of applause from everyone.
Solid. Look at that approach.
And can't get any more perfect than that. I mean, that's the perfect hit, the perfect set, and the perfect finish.
Lumusot sa dalawang blockers, and that
sa ibabaw ng blockers.
Really, really sharp, yeah.
And what a block by Guevara.
Cortel to serve.
One-handed set by C. Pero it turned into a free ball para dito sa Adamson. And this looks like the beginning of the end for FEU right now.
Timeout for FEU. At nagkakagulo sila ngayon, and let's see if they can still manage to catch up with Adamson.
Ha? Paano makapalo ni Sam? Tutok na tutok sa mukha niya ang baba ng bola. Kasi nagmamadali kayo, gusto matapos kayo. Huwag nyo na-receive. Minamadali nyo yung laban, ayaw nyo lumaban.
Right now, these timeouts are just, chances for Coach Nesto to vent. Talagang magalit lang siya and masama ang loob for the fact that, yun nga, walang effort to fight in this game. They're just going through the motions, itong Lady Tamaraos, ano?
Para na rin sinasabi ni Coach Nes na, in a way, malayo pa yan. Huwag niyong madaliin. It's not everything is lost right now. It's still, you're still in the match. Pero if you keep on playing this way, ay mapapabilis tayo. Yun na nga nangyayari. Now, it's just 3 points away itong Adamson.
Substitution, Adam.
What a game by the Lady Falcons after that win against UP. They stepped up their game going up against a stronger team in FEU, but same result, no? Mukhang yung depensa nilang napakatibay.
Yes. And Coach Meneses already confident that they're going to win this set. Puts in second setter Lebum Fasil on the floor, pulling out Makatuno.
Able to tip it over.
Giselle C.
C gives
And,
FEU their 14th point.
Lady Tamara was clearly frustrated with the kind of performance they put on the floor here today. This is not at all what they're about and what they can do. Pineda.
Wow, again.
With authority.
It's always almost automatic.
Oo,
Para kay Pineda, no?
Ganda ng form. The form really is just textbook. And, is there a timeout?
Wala. Accidentally napindot yata. Yeah.
Okay, there seems to be no timeout. And,
Na-press lang daw ng paddle yata. So, yeah, we're good to go.
Eric, ikaw ata mahaba ba kamay mo? Ba't mo? Ikaw, eto si Eric kong pumindot. Sinusumbong ko na. Nakialam eh.
Nakakalabit ko lang mo. Pasensya na.
Triple block by FEU.
Oh, what a save!
Oh!
Can you believe it? Despite this lead, Pineda goes to the floor and saves the ball and wins the point para sa Adamson.
I think that just totally tells the story of this
Exactly.
game. Who wanted it more, Eric? Who defended better? And obviously, the obvious answer is Adamson, especially by Pineda. Look at that save. Sa totoo lang ko ako, hindi ko nakukuha.
Lamang pa naman tayo ng siya. May okay na yun.
Pag pinagalitan ko, coach, hindi kami scoreboard.
Kailangan mo ba?
Pero hindi. Yun ang maganda eh. No? Pineda's
Yung puso.
Oh, the effort is still there. What a game!
What a game, yeah. What a game for Adamson. They really showed the kind of team that they are here today as they sweep FEU and avenge their loss, so to speak, dun sa pagkatalo nila sa FEU in the playoffs last season. So a sweep of the Lady Tamaraos in the main event this Sunday afternoon, 25-18, 25-18, and 25-14. Adamson wins. So we'll be back to wrap this up after these.